Hey everyone, welcome back to Interview Preparation, where we prepare you for your next big DevOps interview. Today, I'll show you how to explain your current project and role like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, introduce your project. Keep it short and crisp. Business objective. What problem is your project solving? Example. We're automating deployment processes to reduce downtime. Tech stack. Mention the tools you use, cloud like AWS or Azure, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, etc. Example. Our project is a cloud-based CI/CD automation platform using Kubernetes and Terraform to streamline deployments. Now let's break down the architecture and infrastructure of your project. Is it monolithic or microservices? Are you using Docker and Kubernetes for containerization? Talk about your deployment pipeline, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI/CD. If you're using Terraform, Ansible, or CloudFormation, explain how you provision and manage infrastructure. Example. We use a microservices architecture deployed via Kubernetes. Our CI/CD pipeline in Jenkins automates testing and deployment while Terraform manages cloud resources. Now comes the most important part. What you do. Mention your role. DevOps engineer, SRE, cloud engineer. Be clear. Justify your responsibilities. Managing CI/CD pipelines, automating deployments, monitoring, and alerting. Emphasize on your collaboration skills that how do you work with developers, QA, and security teams. Example. As a DevOps engineer, I manage the CI/CD pipeline, automate deployments, and work closely with developers to ensure a smooth release process. DevOps equals automation. What tools and scripts have you built? Mention which automation scripts you used like Python, Bash, or Ansible scripts for automated deployments. Which tools you have used for monitoring and logging. Prometheus, Grafana, ELK stack. How do you keep track of system health? Emphasize security practices you have used like GDPR, HMAC authentication, etc. Example. I automated log analysis using ELK stack and set up Prometheus monitoring to detect failures in real time. Lastly, showcase your impact. Share challenges you overcame. Any major issue? High downtime? Deployment failures? Emphasize on solution used. What did you do to fix it? Optimize pipeline? Reduce deployment time? Share your achievements like improved deployment speed by 50%, reduced cloud costs, enhanced security measures. Example. We reduced deployment failures by 80% by automating rollback mechanisms in Kubernetes. And that's how you explain your project and role in a DevOps interview. Quick recap. First, project overview. Second, architecture and infrastructure. Third, your role and responsibilities. Fourth, automation and tools. Fifth, challenges and achievements. Want more DevOps interview tips? Subscribe and hit the bell icon.